The cord is a unit of measure of dry volume used to measure firewood and pulpwood in the United States and Canada, although the term is used informally elsewhere. A cord is the amount of wood that, when ranked and well stowed, occupies a volume of 128 cubic feet. This corresponds to a well-stacked woodpile 4 feet high, 8 feet long, and 4 feet deep. Or any other arrangement of linear measurements that yields the same volume. The name cord probably comes from the use of a cord or string to measure it. Definitions: in Canada, the cord is legally defined by Measurement Canada. The cord is one of 3 legal standards for the sale of firewood in Canada. However, the stacked cubic meter is now the preferred unit of measurement. In the United States, the cord is defined by statute in most states. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology Handbook 130, Section 2.4.1.2, defines a cord and provides uniform regulations for the sale of fireplace and stove wood. In the metric system, wood is usually measured in steers and cubic meters. 1 steer equals 1 mar cubed per mil 0.276 cords. Maine appears unique among U.S. states by also defining a loose thrown cord, or pile of cut firewood. A cord of 12 or 16 inches in length shall mean the amount of wood, bark and air contained in a space of 180 cubic feet. And a cord of wood 24 inches in length shall mean the amount of wood, bark and air contained in a space of 195 cubic feet. 1981, c. 219. Other non-official terms for firewood volume include standing cord, kitchen cord, running cord, face cord, fencing cord, country cord, long cord, and rick, all subject to local variation. These are usually taken to mean a well-stacked pile of wood in which the logs are shorter or longer than in a legal cord, to accommodate various burners. For example, a face cord commonly consists of wood that is 16 inches long. The volume of a face cord therefore is 1/3 of the volume of a full cord even though it is 8 feet long and 4 feet high. A face cord is also called a rick of wood in Midwestern United States. The term is used in other English-speaking countries, such as New Zealand, but may not have a legal definition. Heating value, main article, heating value of firewood. 1 seasoned cord of red oak has the heating equivalent of 159 US gallons of fuel oil, 138,700 British thermal units per gal. See also. References. External links: Kern County Weights and Measures about Firewood, Nova Scotia Natural Resources Information Circular DNR, 1A, Guide to Buying and Measuring Stacked Firewood, Wood Heat Organization Incorporated.